i-develop and make programs na naka-under sa core values, then nakakatulong sa bata. So, my question po is, are you favor po ba sa sex education? And here's the follow-up po. Education po ba ang problem or takot lang po ba talaga tayo na harapin ang reality today?
Okay, ito no, konsepto. Yung school ba is a preparation for life itself or for life, for work, or pag nasa school kayo, life na siya. That's a different thing, no? So sa Pilipinas hindi. I-training kayo, pag-aralin, etc. para prepared kayo sa tunay na buhay. Which for me, education should be life itself. Ibig sabihin, when you were in school, hindi siya artificial. When you make friends, when you study something, the informal learnings that you have, which ako, mas marami akong informal learnings na nakuha sa school kaysa sa formal. Kasi lagi akong wala sa classroom dahil may contest, may student council, etc. But more learnings are coming from outside the four walls. So yun yung aking masishare. So siguro less tedious, less yung pagiging stiff ng ating mga classroom and the curriculum itself would be better. Now, to answer your question about sex education, which is very timely, dahil ma-issue yung terminologies and all, no? Dapat sound, culturally sound ang ating mga polisiya. When you say culturally sound, pag medyo liberal in the US, doesn't mean that it will fit with our culture, considering religion, values, folkways, norms, etc. Now, pero, yung sex education, actually, nung nalaman nyo na ikaw ay may ibang private part dun sa katabi mo, that's actually sex education already. And when we started that, as early as kinder, preschool, na pag naliligo ka, dapat mag-isa ka. Dapat walang ibang nakakakita. At wala dapat humahawak ng katawan mo. Kailan mo yan natututunan? Kinder. Tama? So technically, sex education is already there kahit estudyante pa ako. No. Nasi-sensationalize lang sometimes ng media. Masyado tayong fixated with the terminology of, what's that? Early childhood masturbation, whatever. But technically, hindi yun dapat ang issue. Ang issue dapat is, ako may katawan, how will I protect my katawan? And pag ako ay na-abuse, is there a government agency that can protect me from that abuse? Yun lang naman. And kung merong agency, do you have access to that number ng agency and the procedure? Yun lang naman, at safe ba yung procedure? So I think that's fine, no? Yun lang yung sagot ko. You have an answer to that? Okay na ba? Oh, sige.
Sir.